Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually fix the Roomba error code number 1. Now it's a very easy and common fix, so let's get straight into it. Now the description tells us that the Roomba is placed in an obstacle or is on an uneven surface and therefore the left wheel is stuck. Now this is a very easy fix. All you have to do is push the left wheel up and down to check if it will go further. And if that doesn't work, you need to blow in it, for example, or just shake it out to check if there's any debris loose inside the left wheel. Now from there you can briskly turn both wheels by hand and make sure that they turn freely and that each wheel exhibits the same amount of resistance. Now it's very important to do these steps. Now if you still run into problems, please contact the Roomba support service yourself on the official iRoomba website. Now if this tutorial helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, but most importantly, thank you for watching.